Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2013 Tesla Model S, and on this vehicle I'm going to show you where you find your paint code. So say you need to match your paint to paint your vehicle. This is where you find it. So start with, you need to open up your door, and right down here on the main information piece with your VIN number and the who manufactured your vehicle and what year. Right down here we have the paint code. So it's PNT and then the hash mark, or not hash mark, but double dot. And then we have a PBSB or P8SB8 type VIN, not VIN, but that's our paint code. So take that to a paint store or a collision place, and they would be able to match your paint code for your vehicle. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.